Today's video is going to be a beginner's guide to colour mixing. What 3 tubes of paint you will need to create a variety of vibrant colours, and they're not what you think. Welcome to my channel. I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed, liked or commented, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's start with the 3 typical tubes of primary colours: red, yellow and blue. Red looks promising, action and energy. Yellow, positivity and joy, a nice lemon yellow. Blue, confidence and success, bit dark though. Green, the colour of health and nature, but this green looks very unhealthy. Orange, optimism and enthusiasm, but it still looks red. Purple, royalty and spirituality, a very dull member of royalty, that's not purple. Brown. Black, I'm not too confident with this shade. Starting to look healthier. I see you got some sun. Good. That's more enthusiasm there. Orange. It's still red. What a disaster. Can we salvage it with white? No, we can't. Let's just start again. Okay. Take it away, cowboy. Remove the blue. Off you go, red. I like you, yellow. You can stay. We'll add teal and magenta. If you would like to learn more about colour theory, join my mailing list to receive a free beginner's guide to colour mixing. All you have to do is click the link in the description box underneath this video and sign up. By joining my mailing list, I will keep you informed about when portraits of you and your loved ones become available. I am working at setting up an online shop to make this process as easy as possible, and I look forward to when I can start creating portraits for you and your family.